Yeah, I like the combination of having a more kind of academic conference structure upstairs and downstairs, more the hall where you can have the hands-on samples that you can touch and interact with the companies. I like that. I like the poster session as well. It makes the entire setup a little bit more eclectic, a little bit more interesting.
I think LOPEC is special because the attendees are very engaged. They ask a lot of questions. They're here trying to find out information. We just enjoy interacting with the high quality of the attendees. LOPEC is all about collaboration, and this is, I think, the event for printed electronics in the world, and that's why we came from the States all the way here to Germany to participate.
We've been a member of OEA Association for several years, and LOPEC is really one of the key events for printed electronics and organic electronics community. So it's really where the people come to learn new things, to network, to find vendors, for find customers. So this is why we come here, right? It's a relevant event.
The very good part about LOPEC, I think the networking, it's amazingly efficient. So you have the people from the industry coming, the people from research centers, also so university people are there, and you can see that you start to have more and more end users as well. So it's really all the part of the chain that are present, so I can meet everyone here.